long the legs do.
Are you okay?
You died.
So you're gonna like flip or something?
Margaret, you died. You hit it too.
Wait, you didn't go. You went. No, she didn't.
I can really go up and down.
I'm gonna go again.
I'm gonna try to stand on the bottom.
That was hard.
It ate your leg.
I tried. I'm sorry.
Try it again. You got to get your legs up.
Hey, excellent.
I tried to say
Caroline, you got to do that again because I didn't get the picture.
she's like some kind of
I want to do it.
Okay.
I need to do it.
You got to just lift your legs up, Lex. Like, there you go.
I have too long of legs to do that.
Now you just got to pick them up.
Lexi, you have to pull back, and then while you're jumping, you have to swing forward.
You have to put like it.
Not just sit there and go, yay!
Oh wait, I'm dangling over ferocious crocodile.
Oh, nice.
Anybody else want to go swimming?
Yeah, Caroline is after Amanda, then Caroline will go and then we'll leave.
I already went 2 times.
Yeah, but the first one you didn't do too good. Go ahead.
Are you recording?
I'll go after her.
Oh my god, yeah, what did I just happen?
Can you just go? Let's go. Alligator poop.
Alligator.
They're going,
You died.
Hey, you
Jump
tried.
and swing
Hit
forward.
the tail. Oh, yeah, she did with her legs.
we'll never